Hi, my name is Patrick. This specific video is to inform you about the DILR Short Workshop you're planning to hold as far as CAT is concerned. So focus will be on approaches and methods of how to solve the set questions faster. We'll also discuss on the strategy, what is a good strategy or bad strategy with regard to DILR is concerned, and the psychology during the examination. What should be your mindset in order to crack the particular section. So it's connected by me. I've scored 100% 6 times, fairly comfortable with the whole paper. I've also scored 100% 6 times even in DILR section. So comfortable with the DILR section as well. So hopefully we'll be able to guide you better with regards to what are the patterns and what are the ways to solve the different DILR sets. 5 sessions, 1.5 hours each. So we have a weekday batch which starts from 8 to 12 November, 9 to 10:30. We also have a weekend batch which starts from 30th. Timing is Saturday 5 to 6:30 and Sunday 9 to 10:30 p.m. So you can pick up whichever batch that you want. These are the 5 days of the sessions which are there. You can choose. If you want more information, you can contact us. Fees is 1200 for a DILR workshop along with a max workshop. If you want to join both, the fees is 2200. You can contact us. You can enroll by joining the going to prep.patrick100.com. Right, go to website, or you can contact us as 9821314788 or email us to coin@coinacademy.com. We can provide you the information for the particular course. Right, that's clear. Thank you.